Hey guys, this is Sam from aerocharm.com, and today we're looking at a simple way to do your first bracelet and with pictures included. So it's actually a simpler than you have thought. You just have to put a little bit of practice. So the first thing you want to do is fold the elastic wire and cross it through the lead wire. If the bead is large, just please cross it twice, but as you can see the picture is pretty self-explanatory. And using a heating source to melt the lead wire, and by doing that you will thin out the ends. So the next step is for you would have to do is pull the melted lead wire through each bead's hole until the desired quantity of beads are loaded. So if you want to make if you want to make sure that you have enough beads actually, so simply place the item on your wrist and see how many more you need. Just don't make guesses, just place as many as you need and keep that in mind. So then just simply adjust the bead position and tie a knot at the end, and then tie another knot to add tension to the wire. And the next one that you need to do is put on your bracelet and see if it fits, just making sure if everything is fine, and just cut the remaining wire, leaving 1 to 2 millimeters around. And the last one, which is as simple as it gets, simply hide the knot inside the bead hole and adjust the bead spacing until everything sits evenly. So it's actually once you get over the process, I'm sure the first time it might not be as easy, but the second and third time it's basically cutting your nails or doing something like that. It's automated and you just get that done pretty fast and easily. So if you need some beads, just feel free to head over to aerocharm.com. We have everything from spacer beads to wood and plastic and the mantras beads and any kinds of beads. And we are actually of higher quality than, I would say, your average shop beads, so there's that. And we also have articles on various beads' metaphysical properties and the benefits and zodiac signs, so feel free to check that out. And this was Sam from AeroCharm, and I'm signing out. Thank you.